Hi! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can onboard dozens of clients every week with just one tool. The onboarding process is one of the most important parts of the customer journey. If you get it right, it sets a great first impression and the client will be looking forward to continue working with you. But if you mess it up, the chances of you keeping that client have just dropped by 50% and your chances of getting a referral from that client have dropped to zero. And what causes you to mess up? It's manually onboarding every client. You effectively become the biggest bottleneck in your own business. So to avoid this, creating automated workflows can speed up the onboarding process and give a consistent experience to every client, no matter how many you onboard. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully automated client onboarding sequence. First, we'll show you how to automatically send welcome emails to clients who fill out your onboarding form. Then you'll learn how to add these new clients to your CRM without any manual effort. After that, we'll guide you through creating tasks in your project management tool. And finally, we'll demonstrate how to notify your entire team on Slack about the next step. The way we'll create this workflow today is with Activepieces. Getting started is simple. First, head over to activepieces.com and create your first account. Once you've created your account, it's now time to create your automated workflow. Automated workflows are systems that perform repetitive tasks automatically based on set rules, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency. To create your first automated workflow, head over to the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see a purple button labeled New Flow. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to a new interface. You'll notice that the first step is to select a trigger. A trigger is like a certain signal for a process. It's an event or condition that, when it happens, sets off a series of automated actions. Think of it as pressing a button that kicks off a chain of tasks without you having to do anything manually. Typically, when you onboard a new client, you would have them fill out a questionnaire to learn more about their business. And to do so, we'll select JotForm as our trigger for this workflow. And we'll choose New Submission as the action which sets off our trigger. From there, you'll want to connect your account and choose a pre-existing form inside of your account to pull your data from. If you don't use JotForm, don't worry. Activepieces integrates with SurveyMonkey, Typeform, Google Forms, and much more. Once this is set up, click the button at the bottom of the side panel called Test Trigger. When it starts loading, you'll see a message saying, go to the JotForm and trigger New Submission. We need to follow this step to make sure it captures New Submission. What you'll want to do here is head over to your form and submit a fake response. Once you do this, you'll notice that the message will change. If you see a green checkmark, it means that the trigger was tested and set up successfully. Now, the next action we want to set up after a new client completes their onboarding questionnaire is a thank you email that also details the next steps in the onboarding process. We'll set this up using Gmail. Click the plus icon to add a new action and type in Gmail on the right panel. Just like we did with the previous trigger, we need to fill out all the details to make the action effective. From the drop-down menu, select the Send Email action and connect your Gmail account. From there, add your email subject line and inside the body, paste in your message. Finally, scroll down and select Test Step to make sure everything works perfectly. Next, we'll add our new client to our CRM to ensure that the details of every new client we sign are all in one place. The CRM of choice for today is Pipedrive, but you can also connect Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, and much more. Like the previous step, click the plus icon, search for Pipedrive, select the action Add Person, and connect your account. We'll then set the name using previous data collected from our JotForm trigger. Click the empty box under Name, click the drop-down arrow next to your New Submission trigger, and scroll down to select your value, which should include the new client's detail. From there, fill out any necessary details you would like to add to your CRM, and then click Test Step at the bottom. If done right, a new person or deal should be created inside your CRM. Now, to ensure that your team knows what needs to be done, we'll create new tasks inside of our project management platform, ClickUp, that details the tasks our team needs to complete to onboard our new client. Add ClickUp as another action in your workflow by clicking the plus button. Set your action to create tasks, connect your account, and select the appropriate space and list in which this task should be created. Then define the task, filling in the description with the message you want your team to see. Next, click the test step to make sure that the action and integration is set successfully. If set up correctly, you should see a new task that has been created inside your project management platform of choice. Finally, keep your team in the loop by notifying them in Slack about the new task and client who was just onboarded. Click the plus button once again to add a new app. Search for Slack, set your action to send a new message to a channel, and log into your workspace. Make sure to add the Activepieces bot to your Slack channel for this action to work as intended. And from there, select the channel you want to send your message to. Paste in your message inside the following prompt. Additionally, we'll add to our message the description of the new tasks that need to be completed for a new client, which will come for the new task we created inside of ClickUp. And to do so, select Create Task on the left panel pop-up and then select the variable in which the description is from. Once again, click Test Set and you should then see a new message appear inside of your Slack channel with the details of the tasks your team needs to complete. Okay, now that we're done creating all of our steps, we now want to activate our automated workflow. We'll do so by first testing our entire workflow by clicking the Test Flow button at the top of our trigger. This will open up a panel on the left-hand side showing all of our steps and confirming with a check mark and if everything is connected perfectly. From there, you can select Publish at the top right corner. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've now set up a workflow that automates the entire client onboarding process, from collecting client information to notifying your team of new tasks. Give it a try and let us know in the comments if there are any other automations you would like to see us create next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video on tips to simplify your business operations with automated workflows. Bye!